In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face mask out of just a t-shirt using the sleeve. There's no measurements, there's no sewing. All you need is a pair of scissors. This is really good if you are desperate for a face mask and you're tired of paying $3 at the bodega like I am. You can also do this with kids as well if you can't find a face mask that fits them. So if you guys are interested in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is grab an old t-shirt and then cut off of each sleeve. Each sleeve is going to be one face mask. Once I cut the sleeve off, I opened up the sleeve and kind of repositioned it so that way the bigger part of the sleeve was in the middle, because that's going to be in the middle of our face. Now this shirt was a size medium, which I think is perfect for an adult size face. But if you have a smaller face, or maybe you want to make this for a child, then I would suggest cutting off a little bit on the top and bottom. Now for the piece that goes around your ear, we're going to use the same t-shirt, just a different section. So I'm first going to cut off that bottom seam, the one with the stitching, and discard that. Then I'm going to cut about a half of an inch of a piece, cut two of them. And that's going to be for the piece that goes around your ear. Just cut straight across the t-shirt and we will worry about the length later. So next I'm going to cut holes into the face mask, and this is just so that way we can fish the pieces of fabric that we just cut through the mask. To cut the holes, all I did was stab the scissors through the fabric and it easily went through. I would definitely recommend putting like a padding or something under this because it probably stabbed my rug. I cut about 3 holes in each side, but if I were to do this again, I would definitely make it an even number and make it 4. Now to make the fabric stretchier and thinner, to make it easier to go through the holes, I just pulled on it really hard and then I used the scissors to help fish the piece of fabric through each hole. To figure out how long the strings needed to be, I just put the mask behind my ear, just held it, and ended up cutting it and tying them into a knot. To cover all the rough edges, I just folded them inside, and there you go. An easy DIY mask that you don't have to sew, there's no measuring, and it's as simple as that. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.